Okay, today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make weights for your lawn tractors. Quick, easy, and simple, just using cinder block and concrete, and 2 bolts and some nuts. Okay, what you're gonna do, and this is already done already, but it'll be easy to talk about it because the process takes a little while, but you can do this really easy and simple. You will need 2 bolts. I believe this was 3, 6. I believe it's like a 12-inch bolt. I'm not sure, either 9 or 12, and I cut them. I cut them so they can fit to here. I custom cut them, but for you would have to measure that, the length of this. Then what I did was I taped the a cardboard all surrounded here, and then I put it on the ground, and I put the 2 bolts onto here. Now on your mower, you can either measure it the distance first, or you can just stick the stick onto here and then measure the distance. I'll show you in a minute, but measure where your room is so that way you can attach this onto. Okay, and then pour your cement in. I've done this a few years ago, and I actually spray painted, but somehow the spray paint came off. So spray painting this black, it's not worth it. For you, it might be worth it to you. If you want, just a can of black spray paint, but a few years later, it'll come back again. It'll peel off again, as you can see. It gets rubbed off. It won't. Paint somehow doesn't stick to the cement. You might have to use like foundation paint maybe, or rubber, or maybe even Flex Seal. Probably Flex Seals would work on these if that's the case. But the idea is to put 2 bolts on here, and then you can bolt it on to your tractor. I'm gonna walk you to here, and this is the result of that. You see that? Since there's a bracket here, that hitch that they use it for the hitch, you just set that on there, and then you would drill 2 holes with the bolt right there, and that's where, if you look really close, right there, underneath there, you can actually see the 2 bolts. See right there? See the nut? I put a little spacer on there, and I put a nut on there. I don't know if you can see them in camera. I put it really close. Probably not, but yeah, you can see it right there in the middle of the video. But that's what it looks like. So I just put a spacer, and I put the bolt, and I bolted both sides right here, and that's it. It's pretty good for the weights. But as you can see, it's pretty easy and simple. It's a waiting game, that's about it. You put the 2 bolts in and you wait for it. But that's one right there, and I made this one for the other tractor. I didn't need it because I only use 1 tractor, but now I have 2 weights. But that's about it on this video, and it's pretty quick, easy, and simple. It's just, like I said, it's just a waiting game, really. You would put your, like I said, tape your cardboard underneath there, and then stick 2 bolts in, and you would have to protect these bolts so cement won't get to it. So what you do is you would put tape around here, up to this level right here. You can go up to here, but I did the tape all the way around here. I taped it all, and I use electrical tape because it was easy to wind, and it's stretchy all the way up to there. And then pour your cement in, level it, and then once you're done, you take the tape off. That's it. But other than that, that's it on this video. Quick, easy, and simple, and it's cheap too. I believe it cost me like $5 total for the bolts plus the cement bag. I was able to do 2, and I still have some extra cement left. So all you do is just mix it and then just scoop it in there, a little bucket. That's all I did. I was able to make 2 for like $5.